Understanding Security Compliance, a guide for beginners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important yet often misunderstood concept in both the digital and physical world: security compliance. Whether you're running a business, working in technology, or just curious about how organizations protect data and adhere to laws, this video is for you. Let's unravel the mystery of security compliance together, making it simple and understandable. Security compliance refers to the process of adhering to rules, regulations, and standards designed to protect data and information. These rules can come from governments, industry groups, or even internal policies within an organization. The goal is to ensure that sensitive information is safeguarded against unauthorized access, breaches, and other security threats. Compliance is not just about following laws. It's about protecting individuals' privacy and maintaining trust in technology systems. In today's digital age, the importance of security compliance cannot be overstated. It helps in protecting sensitive data such as personal information, financial records, and confidential business data from cyber threats. Building trust with customers and clients by demonstrating a commitment to security. Avoiding legal and financial penalties that can arise from non-compliance with regulations. Maintaining a competitive edge in the industry by ensuring that security practices meet or exceed industry standards. Understanding the components of security compliance can help organizations and individuals better prepare for and implement these practices. Some key components include risk assessment, identifying and analyzing potential risks to data security, policies and procedures, developing guidelines and instructions on how to protect data, training and awareness, educating employees and users about their roles in maintaining security, audit and monitoring, regular checks to ensure that compliance measures are in place and effective. There are several well-known security compliance standards that organizations may be required to follow, depending on their industry and location. Examples include GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, protects personal data in the European Union. HIPAA, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, safeguards medical information in the United States. PCI DSS, Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, secures credit and debit card transactions. Security compliance is a critical aspect of modern business and technology, ensuring that data is protected and that organizations adhere to legal and ethical standards. By understanding what security compliance is, why it's important, and its key components, we can all play a part in safeguarding the digital landscape. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic and made it more accessible to you. Thank you for watching, and stay secure.